Okay, hello everybody. In last video we were learning about fractions. We learned the definition of fraction, which is when an object is divided into several equal parts, then each part is known as a fraction of that whole object. We used pizza in our example. We converted that pizza into 4 equal parts, so the object was divided into 4 equal parts, and we want to represent this fraction in mathematical terms. In simple fraction we would write 1 over 4. So we are saying that whole object has been divided into 4 equal parts and we are using one part of it. We are concerned about one part of it. Okay, so this was simple fraction. Another way would be to represent this fraction in terms of percentage. So this would be equivalent of 25%. If this whole object is treated as 100%, if this object is converted onto a scale of 100, then we have consumed 25% of it. The third way would be to represent this percentage in terms of decimal fractions, as we call them, and that would be 0.25. If this whole object is treated as 1, then you have consumed 0.25 of it. And all these figures, all these numbers are interchangeable representations, so we should be able to mathematically convert 1 over 4 into 25%. There should be a way, because we say that all these figures are representing the same thing, same value, so we should be able to convert 1 over 4 into 25%, or 25% into 0.25, or 25% into a simple fraction. So we'll learn that today. So to convert a simple fraction into a percentage, what you simply do, so this was the simple fraction 1 over 4. In order to convert a fraction into a percentage, first of all you have to have a fraction. So in order to get a percentage you have to have a fraction. Just always remember that, and you have to times it by 100, because you are converting that object, whole object that has got 4 pieces, onto a scale of 100. So 1 over 4 times 100, 100 also means 100 over 1. We know that 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 25 is 100. 25 times 1 is equal to 25, and 1 times 1 is equal to 25 over 1. 1 times 1 is equal to 1, so it's 25 over 1, which also means 25. Now because we are converting this whole object onto a scale of 100, it will be known as percentage. So we have converted a simple fraction into percentage. Now to convert a percentage into a decimal fraction, what you simply do, you start counting from your right hand side, 1, 2. After 2 digits you put a 0, put a dot here, and then put a 0 here. So this is the simplest way to convert a percentage into a decimal fraction. If it was 125%, what you would do, you would count from your right hand side 1, 2, and put a dot here. So that would be 1.25 in terms of decimal fractions. I hope this explains the relationship between simple fractions, percentages, and decimal fractions. We'll come back, we'll do some more example, we'll do some complex work in future. Thank you very much.